Hello guys, my name is Batman. His name is
Superman!
And today we're doing slime. And what is this? Jeweled bracelet. You see, it's almost like 14 karat gold.
Just try to wear it.
Examine that. Let me focus that.
Did you go wear it, right?
No, I'm not a girl.
You're a boy.
All right.
You look like
Look at this ruby though.
You look like a minion.
No, I don't.
Nope. Okay.
All right. You see this ruby, yeah? All right. All right. Now slime. It's gonna be all over the ruby. All over, all over, all over, like all over, 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 all over.
All over.
Stop, please. Thank you. Yeah, wait,
I'm gonna struggle this Hulk smash.
You're not Hulk. You say you're Superman. Superman is
Superman.
All right, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Superman or Hulk? This is Superman. This is Hulk because it's green. So, what do you think will win?
Superman
or Hulk?
Superman.
Psh, psh, psh. Superman. Superman. Ah. All right.
I don't want to go back to the picture.
All right. Now, it's time for the revealance. Slime. Superman.
Driving overkill.
Yeah, I think Hulk won.
Overkill.
What do you guys think in the comments? Tell me.
Tell me. You
If you think
on Joey or me?
if you think
Have you think
that
that
Superman is better than Hulk,
Oh, Hulk.
Then-
I am Hulk Smash. Because I'm
Then-
Superman.
then write in the comments which one is better than.
Superman. Me.
Don't say that. What people
Hulk.
think is Hulk.
Hulk is so big.
Yeah, but you're Superman.
And who's gonna be big?
All right. So yeah.
I
So-
have my lasso.
Today, could you please? I want to get to over. I really want to get